What's up, guys? Welcome back to another month of the Patrick Adair Supplies subscription box. I'm really excited for this month. We've got some new stuff, and we also, I don't know if we've ever included more in a box than we are this month. So I'm really excited to get into it, show you guys what we've got, and start making the ring. All right, so let's go over what we got. First, I'll address the elephant in the room. That would be this bottle of polish. This is our new Patrick Adair Supplies polish. As you'll notice, I don't even have the label on it right now. As you guys know, we use the subscription box as a really good way to give you guys our newest and greatest products. And we should have labels on what you guys get, but as I'm filming this, we literally don't even have the labels ready. So we'd love some of your guys' feedback. This is kind of like a symbiotic relationship. We give you guys the newest and greatest stuff at really good discounts, and we like your feedback that we get from it. And then let's just go ahead and break into the box here. Got a lot to go over. First thing I'll talk about right here. This is a resin blank. This is just a freebie. It's unrelated to the rest of the ring. We just thought it'd be kind of fun this month to include this. Next, let's get into the vials. Here we have some uncolored purple glow powder. This is awesome stuff. What I like about purple is that it's such a bright white in the daytime. It makes for really clean looking rings. The glow intensity, obviously very muted on the purple. Again, it's very bright, so you can't really see it. So the purple pigment, we included this as an extra. I'm not going to use it in the ring, but we just thought that you guys might like it just to match. This is Amethyst that we're gonna talk about here in a sec. So we just thought that you guys might like that. If you do, go ahead and feel free to use it. If not, you've just got some extra pigment for your next project. And then just a extra mixing vial in case you do wanna mix these two. There's a vial to mix it in. So lots of freebies. We're trying to just pack in as much as we can with every single box. And then, like I just talked about, we've got some amethyst here. Mine isn't very crushed up. We should be sending you guys some pre-screened stuff that should be a more regular size. That looks wonderful. And then here, this is brand new. We just got these in stock. These are really nice, very high quality. These are white ceramic blanks. This is the first time we've ever offered these. I love ceramic. It's just such sharp, clean angles. Very polished, very reflective. And then it just doesn't scratch. There's like almost nothing you can do to scratch it. Also very lightweight, so just a wonderful material to make. So that's kind of the whole color palette we've got here. Purple is kind of the brightest, whitest glow powder in the daytime. So I thought those would pair well together. And then just some purple amethyst to kind of contrast with that. It should look really cool and interesting. And then it's gonna glow purple at night, of course. So this is gonna have a lot of cool stuff going on for it. As far as making it, should be very straightforward. Again, I'm not going to be using these. You guys can do it if you want. Make sure to share pictures if you do. But this is all I need to get going. Let's go ahead and get inlaying, and then I'll check back in with you. All right, guys, I have inlaid the ring successfully. I used my accelerator, then I let it sit for about 10 minutes to make sure it's fully hardened. I also was blowing some hot air on it from a space heater I have because it's pretty cold in my shop right now. So if you're not getting it cured after 10 minutes, I'd recommend waiting a little longer, using a bit of heat. The rest of this is gonna be quite straightforward. I've got my roughest Dremel bit on here. I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna focus on the highest pieces of amethyst first. Get those all down, get everything kind of in line with itself, and then I'll just worry about trimming it down in general. I'm going to try to avoid touching the ceramic. Like I said earlier, it's very scratch resistant, but you can scratch it if you're not super careful with especially these really rough Dremel bits. So it's better to avoid that. So I'm going to be a little bit aggressive at first, but then later on I'll be a lot more gentle and careful not to hit the ceramic. All right, here it is. I love that clean look that this has. It's just such a pure looking ring. And then I like just how simple the material makeup is. It's just amethyst and the glow powder. Looks awesome. Yeah, I'm really excited with the way this turned out. I used about twice as much amethyst as I usually would put in a ring, and I think that was a really good call. Otherwise, I think it'd just be a little too bland. Just like that, such a simple, clean look. The white ceramics just really kind of pops. So anyways, guys, I'd say this ring, as far as like technical terms, I'd say it's as close to perfect as it gets. I can't find a single air bubble in it. The inlay is super clean. The polish really helped for that. All the pieces stayed in really well. So this is an awesome ring. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bunch of pictures of it. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really enjoy doing these videos every month. I hope you enjoy watching them. Please give us feedback if you've got any in the Patrick Adair Makers Facebook group. If you're not in that, by the way, we'll have a link to it in the description. You can join it. But we've got so much good feedback going in all the time on that Facebook page. So if you have anything to share, please do. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next month.